Hi friends, let's proceed further with yet another video on Excel stat, wherein now I would be showcasing to you how to use the recent column which is there in the menu, and you will see that this has its own function. It's basically a macro which has been built across the Excel stat, and you would see that yes, it has got its own fun in using it. However, let's see how to carry forward and you would be able to understand. Next to it, you can see the two arrows, one arrow pointing towards upwards and the other arrow towards the downward side. So let's have a look at it and see what exactly it is, and the function of it I can show it to you. I'm just making a series of number 1 2 3 4 5 6 and till 22. Now I'm clicking on 7th column, and let's go ahead and click on the upward. So you have seen that it moved towards the first column. The moment I click on the downward arrow, it will take me to the last one. So wherever in the cell, if you're working, you just click on the downward arrow, you will reach to the last column, and if you click on the upward arrow, you would reach to the first column, first row of the column itself. Now if you want to understand what recent is, so you can see the moment you click, it will take you to the place where you were working for the first time in the sense where you had worked over there. So here you will see that yes, it has worked over there. Now let me just see if it functions like this: 1 1 11, and I click on search, and you will see it should come over to the row where my 11 number is there. So I don't see that kind of result coming out. However, yes, wherever you are, whenever you are working, actually it should showcase. So it may not be identifying right now. I would check it out and get back to you for this one again once we have complete data on the sheet. Now if I click on the preparing data, you will see that yes, there are columns for data sampling, distribution, sampling, variables, transformation, missing data. Then you have got variable transformation. Below that you can see that there are other ways in which you can use it. For example, you can go ahead and you would be able to see missing data, create a contingency table, complete disjunction tables, discretization, data management, cleaning text data, coding, presence or absence of coding, coding by ranks. Now these are all part of our data mining, and to do the prediction, if you can have a look at the column name that they have given to you. Now this is the typical way in which you go ahead with the data mining, and I would be showcasing to you more about these things with the example so that we are able to understand it. So let me catch you up in my next video with more information with the next column. Till then, thank you and take care. Bye.